Hello everyone, introduce my name is Daud Faranda, a student at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I participate in the Datathon competition 2023 as Liberates team consisting of myself. This time, I will present the analytic results of the MicroStrategy library that I create and use the Superstore sales dataset. In conducting data analysis on sales transactions, it is important to note that the company only pursues two main points. The first point is an increase in nominal sales, and the second point is a decrease in operational costs or other expenses. This is clearly related to the income of each entity in this company. The first part will display a title of the entire dossier that is made, namely Exploration of Sales Growth in Customers, Products, and Delivery. Launching in an article written by Fahmi in 2014, explained that sales growth is a ratio that gauges how well a business is able to hold onto its place in the market and in terms of overall economic growth. That is why the five main metrics that need to be examined are total sales, total transaction, average basket size, total customers, and lastly, the average distance order was sent since the order was made. From graph 1, it can be seen that the state of California ranked first in terms of total sales. When accumulated, the total available sales is 321,480 USD. Based on the KPI metric, this value decreased by 8.2% when compared to the previous month. Not only total sales metric, but total transaction, average basket size, and total customers also experience the same trend. Graph 2 is used to simplify the segmentation analysis of which product subcategories have the potential to increase price, such as the binders and paper subcategories with the highest total transaction, but the average basket size is still inferior to the phones subcategory. In addition, turns out that there has also been a decline in the previous year's quarter. A unique trend that can be prioritized is that every quarter one there is an inversion between total sales with total transaction and total customers. The value in 2018 is also the highest revenue compared to quarter one in other years according to Graph 4. Of course, some of this data can set critical condition for superstore sales performance. Luckily, the dataset is of the time series type, which can be utilized to predict future values based on previous historical data. By combining total sales, total transactions, and total customers are predicted to increase. This is also based on the p-value, which is the below 0.05, or means that it will significantly increases. In addition, Graph 7 also shows the basis that increasing total sales can be done by increasing the average value of the customer's basket size. This is based on the existence of a positive correlation between the average value of the basket size and the total sales per product. So, if the value of the basket size has decreased, it means that there is a possibility that total sales will decrease later. To anticipate critical condition to occur or to relate the increased predictive value, it is clear that a strategy is needed to achieve it. There are three recommended steps to take which are divided into customers, product, and delivery aspects. These three strategies have their respective dossier by clicking on the Learn More text. The first will be explored on the customer aspect. Customers are the determinant of whether our product are suitable for the market or not. Therefore, the product must be adapted to the characteristic of its customers. The customer with the highest rating who has a difference in basket size value in 2018 is a customer who has the potential to increase the total nominal sales. In this case, Tom Asberg can see the average basket size by selecting a name in a graph 8 and looking at the total sales and running sales in graph 9. To carry out his marketing strategy, you can look at graph 10. What are the customer segment? What are the common delivery methods used? And what product categories are purchased based on the average value of purchases made? The second strategy is on the product aspect. The product offer can be combined with one another. You can do this by placing this product in adjacent location when they have a high association value. This can increase the attention of customers to add other products to the purchase transaction. One way is to do market basket analysis. This technique will map all customer segments with product categories based on social network analysis graph. From graph 11, there is a strong association between the customer segment and the office supplies category. So, that cross-alternating technique can be carried out on both entities. In addition, based on Pareto law, 80/20, 20% of changes made will have as much as 80% impact. Based on graph 12, product price increase can be made for the best 20% product category. Graph 13 show potential product price increases in the technology category. There is phone subcategory. The last is the shipping aspect. With this dossier, it will be shown where the distribution of shipping method is carried out by customers as well as the average basket size. That's it for me. Thank you.